Good afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb here. 2015 government past question. Question number 2 says the 1976 reforms made the local government the dash. The 1976 reform made the local government the dash. Option A, second tier of government. B, first tier of government. C, fourth tier of government. D, third tier of government. That was a reform of local government that took place in 1976. And what this question is saying is that we have 3 levels of government. We have what we call the national government, then we have the state government, then we also, the third one is the local government. So the reform recognized local governments as the third level of government. So option D is correct. Thank you, and ensure you subscribe for more videos.